Hi everybody, I'm Lisa Ascolese in Inventress. Welcome to this week's tip of the week. This week's tip is awesome for me and for you because it reminds me about time management. Very important tip. When you go to present your product or a product idea to a company, have your stuff together. Have your 3 bullet points together. What are the most important features and benefits of your product? Go in there, get out. Go in and get out. Go in hard, go in strong, go in with a passion. Make them understand what you're pitching to them. So my tip of the week is understanding time management, not only theirs, but yours. Time is money and money is time, and you need to make that. That's my tip of the week. Lisa Ascolese. Look forward to seeing you next time.